Eat in the car, that's your song bills.
Hey realness crew, it is RCrealness back here with another YouTube video. You just watched me unbox my fake MacBook bag. Then you watch me unbox my Longshot Le Pliage XL gunmetal. Yes! And now, the coup de grace. My MacBook so first, honey, okay. We're going to open the box. I've been waiting this for years. And I finally had enough money to pay for one. Ooh la la. Okay. Oh, no, I can't open that. Okay. So we're opening the box. Dang, this is hard. I've been waiting for this. Put it over. My QC paperwork. They gave me a USB adapter thingy with this from QVC. So I paid a total of $2,000 for everything, including insurance. This is the QVC box. Not QVC box, but this is like for like the mouse pad, the USB extender, and this is like the USB port for my computer. Lit, okay. And then it also came with fitted clip case. A clip case, baby. A clip case. I said a gold clip case. We got gold, so we got money. No, I'm not. I'm making money payments, but it's cute. This is my MacBook Pro, y'all. Let's unbox it. There's a hole in the bag. No, they didn't. Girl, I ain't returning it. Okay, so here's the MacBook. Good. So, work it out. Open it. Slide the position down. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and slide this sucker. Yeah, not ready. I'm fucking with y'all. I never stop. This is mine. This is my MacBook. This is mine. Okay, yeah, not here for the crying session. This is what it looks like. This is the computer. Super thin, super elegant. Like me. Super light. Super prestigious. 13 inches. Taking the plastic off. Alright, we'll put that to the side for a second. In the box, as expected, the MacBook Pro stuff. They have some stickers as well. The charger. This is all mine, baby. This is all me. I'm gonna need this. Let me just push this stuff to the side. This thing. We're gonna go ahead and open it and look at it for a second. This is how it comes. Baby! Girl! It turned out without my permission. Every time I open my HP computer, God, thank you for this MacBook. Le nom de Jésus. Jésus connaît tout bagay moi te fait. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys comment, like, subscribe, and love my reaction to me actually opening a computer I wanted for years.